For today's video guys is problema namin ngayon. Mobile ni Kuya nagkaroon ng virus. Ganito yung hindi siya ma-open ng any apps kay may ano siya, may ads siyang magbablock. Magbablock yung ano niyang apps niya. Hindi siya ma-open. Tapos nagka-problema kami kagabi kasi yung family niya tawag ng tawag.
Suddenly all saying, suddenly you do this, you do that. You're not the reason.
Buang na yung cellphone mo, buang.
Buang na.
Buang na
Throw
the
lah.
cellphone.
Throw lah.
You know the buang in Philippines is crazy.
Oh, that one.
The here is the buang is throwing, right?
Yeah.
It's different of buang and buang. Buang ka. Then later we go find how to fix this one.
See how lah can fix. You cannot
can fix or what? If cannot fix, buy a new one. If no, if cannot, so I have another phone there. You can use that one. Bigay ko na lang yung isang phone ko sa kanya para magamit niya. Kasi kawawa naman siya, wala siyang magamit. Yung kawawa na yun, no? Kuya, yung kawawa na.
Kawawa. I don't know lah. Buset.
Bullshit. Someone is stressed siya sa mga pangit na.
Oh, pussy.
Bullshit.